Sailun has been making tires for decades, and they just came out with the ERange tire, their first EV-specific tire. This Tesla Model 3 has them on, and we're here in the Malibu Canyons to check them out. I'm Miguel Cortina with MotorTrend here in the Malibu Canyons, and we're going to talk about the importance of having EV-specific tires. As you know, EVs are heavier and they develop torque to the wheels quicker than cars with an internal combustion engine. So when it's time to replace your tires, it's important to have a tire that can handle all of that. So the first thing I noticed driving the ERange tires are how quiet they are. You know, it's hard to mitigate tire noise, but the ERange manages to do exactly that. It's quiet, the cabin feels peaceful, and it ups the experience inside the cabin. Sailun's liquid phase mixing technology allows a car to have great grip, whether it's on twisty roads like this, when you're braking, or when you're accelerating, handling all that instant torque that electric cars are known for. One of the points of this new technology that they incorporate is that they have less rolling resistance. So what that means is more range for any EV. Sailun did a test, and they actually were able to have 7% more range out of the tires. That's 19 more miles on this specific Model 3. And for a lot of people, that is one less charging stop. Now, we know range anxiety can be huge for EV drivers, so the lower rolling resistance you have, the better. And with these tires, you're able to do that. So the ERange tires not only have great grip, they are quiet, and they provide a longer range. They also have great value. Not only do they outperform the leading manufacturers, but they are also more affordable. They are coming to a retailer near you, and for more, please make sure you visit erangetires.com.